How to fix Uber Eats past cancellation not processing. So to fix an Uber Eats past cancellation that it's stuck or not processing, the first thing what you can do is use a web browser. Just log into your account in the Uber Eats official site, navigate to your membership settings and try tapping end membership there instead of the mobile app. Now the next what you can do is go to your app's wallet, select the active payment card, link to the subscription and attempt to delete it. This often prompts an override screen forcing the membership cancellation flow. Now the next what you can do is open the Uber Eats app on your device, then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher, then swipe away the Uber Eats from a multitasking screen to force quit the Uber Eats app. Now the next what you can do is go to the existing Uber Eats app on your device, then tap and hold on it. Now tap remove app from the menu, then tap delete app to confirm it, then go to your app store, find the Uber Eats app and then reinstall it from there to clear glitching interface buttons. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.